Assalamualaikum students, we are back and now today we are going to start our second part of unit 5, that is the trial. And as we all know, we do question answers in our second part. So first of all, I'm going to tell you to take out your books and mark down the questions in the proper manner, so that you do not have any sort of problem or difficulty in doing your question answers. Taking page number 68 and having the first level over there. First of all, there are 3 questions over here: question number 1, question 2 and question 3. This will be as it is in the book. Coming on page number 69, question number 4, question number 5. Okay, then question number 6 of level 2 and question number 7 of the level 2. Now these are all your short question answers. In all, these are 7 in number. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the sequence of your long questions. Now if you just see page number 69, okay, and level 2, you over here, the 8th question will become question number 1 long, the 9th will become second long, and for question number 3rd long, I'm going to dictate you a question, okay, and that you may write down. And the question is, write a few lines about Jamie and Dylan to identify the traits of each character. I hope you people have done your homework, that is the making of the sentences. Now after the sentences, we are going to put the heading question answers, and in the bracket there will be the category of short over here written as short. Now after that, you take a pointer and write down question number 1, which is somewhat like this: why did Jamie have to play well? Okay, the answer is he wanted to get in the team. Question number 2, who handed the ball to Jamie? Answer, Marsden handed the ball to Jamie. Question number 3, who threatened him? Answer, Dylan. Spelling of Dylan is Dillon. Dylan threatened him. Question number 4, what happened when Jamie moved to strike the ball? Answer, his right foot went over a divot, causing his ankle to twist. Question number 5, what was Jamie's full name? Now you use over here a different pointer for writing his full name: Jamie Johnson. You can highlight it with a different color pointer. Okay, question number 6, why is the match described in the trial not an example of teamwork? Answer, each of Jamie's classmates wanted to get into the team, so they were not working together. Question number 7, what does the idiom steal the glory means? Answer, it means taking the credit from other for winning or succeeding. In answer number 7, you can highlight these words: taking the credit from each other for winning or succeeding. Question number 8 short is, what lesson do you think Jamie needed to learn? Answer, however, badly things go, he must abide by the code of conduct. Now these words, code of conduct, are going to be highlighted, and not let his temper get when he was sent off the field. Now let's start the long question answers. As I said, page number 69 is having question answers which are going to be long in the copy. Question number 8, which is in the level 2, is becoming the first long. Question number 9 is becoming the second long, and the third long has been dictated to you. Let me repeat it for you. Write a few lines about Jamie and Dylan to identify the traits of each character. Question number 1 long is, do you think Mr. Marsden saw what happened between Jamie and Dylan? Question mark. Did he act correctly? The answer is yes, comma. He was aware that Dylan had provoked Jamie, full stop. However, comma, Jamie responded by pushing Dylan in the chest, full stop. But now we are going to take a highlight these words. Okay, so inverted comma beginning. Raising a hand to an opponent, inverted comma close, is forbidden in football games. Answer is completed. Question number 2. How do you think Jamie felt after the game was over? Answer. Jamie was very unhappy, comma, not only with his performance and the way Dylan treated him, comma, but also the way in which he was humiliated when the other players laughed at him when he was sent off the field. Question number 3. Write few lines about Jamie and Dylan to identify the traits of each character. Question mark. Now we are going to take a marker and put a side heading of Dylan over here. The spelling is Dillon. Now let's write down the answer. He is well built, comma, heavy framed person who is a bully and manipulative, as he was pretending Jamie had punched him. Full stop. Leaving a line, putting the side heading of Jamie and writing for Jamie. He is a keen footballer but has difficulty in controlling his temper, which is a bad quality for a football player. Full stop. And with this we complete our question answers, the long ones and the short ones, and of course this is the end of your part 2 video. But students, now I am going to give you a test, okay, and the test will be conducted after the third part of the trial, okay, and in that test you have to prepare your unit 1 and unit 2. Okay, unit 1 and unit 2 are going to be included in your test, and the test will be taken, as I said before, after we complete our unit 5. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.